Yo, me not Ghana for where the message Munina, I am Mamunia Kofi of Fumini Masambano. Many so subscribe to my channel. Bombody answer be subscribing now. 4 days here I carry to Abe. Said 3 days is 4 days here I carry to Abe. No. I'm not going to joke. I'm not going to joke because me who say I'm out for being person almost sorry na omugu Nana Akufo-Addo enumase. I'm try some fake propaganda be the gu our president Nana Akufo-Addo. Osa ade ye almost amu ya ade na amu ye scandals bi na amu gu nanim ase na ye no ye ntena ho e ma sa happen amu di sia ye betwa amu di sia ye betwa enti no ye nso ye ntena ho e ma amu nya amu propaganda amu ntwa ntro emfa ngu ye president any first lady Rebecca Akufo-Addo anim ase enti no so subscribe to my channel Kofi Afo Motivations or YouTube and I say what are you doing as Ghana ba na me some money to asa me there no kware nko ene no kware na ye pese ye ka e ma Ghana timi fa no ntuma pafra no eni ntina ya sorry ndem gina Red Bull Stadium where Red Bull 4 Stadium I want New Jersey and in China ma ba gina no na me pese ansa na me kasa me pese musu muhu stadium a omosi e wo New Jersey hanomo a ye stadium almost still New Jersey here minimum say that's it that be no yan Ghana for so no ye betimi asisa stadium ni bi stadium where you see materials na mudi see ni bibia mudi see bia no materials ni bi wo kwa fa Ghana just the bia America no abronsan nema wo America ha no nema bebre wo ha materials no Africa na edi free na edi be see enti no yes seeing it believing na say who bibi na say weni so a no aso na wo so no wo betimi I imagine na aba in reality na so wetimi aye bi enti Ghana for ye stadium where ye chiri ye Red Bull Stadium enti ye stadium na yes, you bet me be Ghana. Na yes so no yakoye nim. Na stadium is about 50 or 60,000 capacity stadium. You bet me be Ghana. With that said, let's go back to our issue. Me say Kevin Taylor friend is saying Rebecca Akufo-Addo, Her Excellency Rebecca Akufo-Addo scandals now there ban a bomb. And yet true. Mrs. Miami investigation. I follow up. I check some sources. Who say Kevin Taylor, Rebecca Akufo-Addo was spending about more than 1 hour. I want to show you so. Rebecca Akufo-Addo who asked them about Nema Rebecca Akufo-Addo oil with her NGO. A sponsorship awenya. Or they conducting the NGO. Or they conducting the non-profit. Kevin Taylor Babe Jina was say a fake, a scandal, a say, can some I confirm for documents before baby. Nina no a fake Ghana for moon sorry. Mama Kevin Taylor and say margin. And this for moon sorry. Mama Kevin Taylor and say margin. In some na Kevin Taylor a canino a intro or no one person work fabricate those documents. Or no person work for this documents now to the screens in so now show no. A fake. At Ghana for more sorry, more who's a Kevin Taylor and some not can a fake. Me, I don't know why MPP communicators or with me and debunk all these things that Kevin Taylor is saying. I know say Bimuka, but I was here sorry because in some na Kevin Taylor can a bit more edge here to a bit more feels say true. But Ghana for more money in that hole. Nana Akufo-Addo. Nana Akufo-Addo doesn't hate Volta region. Nana Akufo-Addo doesn't hate anybody. Me a 50-50. Me have free Volta. Me have a free Western region. But the point is that me call Western region and nema me who say be a kwan yen fix here and kwan be a enye adena me who Western region. The same thing me ba me me Volta region also me who. Now my sources so actually me say Nana Akufo-Addo the next time no Obe taking Volta region into his own hands. Obe taking Volta region's construction of the roads. They say just kind to Atimpoku Sakwano. The Akufo-Addo, Matisse, Oba Be Sakwani, and Volta region for Mamma Kevin Taylor, not Mamma Obi and two foot Rungumani. Because I was saying, yes, Nana Akufo-Addo, another 4 more term. The amount of 4 more term now. Name of Volta region, Monka Sankono, about Montias, yes. Nema Kevin Taylor okikakika in some na okikakika fa Rebecca Akufo-Addo hu nyina e yentro it never happened na even Voltarians and igbe for muntie ke me igbe na me ka me vana nyedo vebotowe ye me vebodo de me vana nyedo akema do vebie de me kpobede me ahwe oto veboto de me vote for NDC for a very long time. NDC have ruled Ghana for a long time. NDC has been in power more than MPP. But look at how you Voltarians, I want to speak away, but the error is missing. What I want to say is that NDC has been in power more than MPP. Look at the development structure that NDC has brought to the voter region compared to MPP. And you guys, you vote in massive numbers for NDC. But look at the amount of construction that NDC has brought to voter region. Anytime I start speaking, then I'm bringing in English. We have to look at all these things. MPP is doing great job for the voter region. They vote massively. They vote about 90% for NDC. NDC is not helping you, the votarians. You see, I hope you understand what I mean. NDC, the votarians vote about 90% for NDC. Let me take my time and analyze this. Votarians, majority of you, the people in Volta and OT are NDC. We know there's nothing wrong with it. Same as Kumasi also vote for MPP. You, the votarians, you vote massively for NDC. Look at the construction. What are the constructions that you can boast of in your region? What are the constructions that you can boast of in your region that NDC has done for you? MPP has even done more for you with their short term of being in power than the NDC. MPP has done more for you for the short term that they've been in power than the NDC. So votarians, this Monday, vote wisely and vote for Nana Akufo-Addo. There hasn't been any house in the voter region that has not benefited from this free SHS. This free SHS, every household in voter region has benefited from it. So for you to say thank you to Nana Akufo-Addo, please go and vote massively for Nana Akufo-Addo on Monday, because every household in the voter region has benefited from the free SHS. There's no discrimination anywhere. There's no anywhere. So the votarians, vote massively for NPP, because NPP has brought this free senior high school. If Mahama comes out, he's going to cancel it. You see, it's cold, so my eyes is dripping a little bit. You see, when Mahama comes out, he's going to cancel this free SHS. So Ghana for move vote to Nana Akufo-Addo. Kevin Taylor no ya debunking the issues, the scandals na ade no ya debunking no. Me, I would prefer say Kevin Taylor will do his campaign by saying the things that Mahama has done, rather than trying to expose somebody, rather than trying to bring stories that are not true, fabricating stories, saying things about somebody. There's no doubt say MPP for NDC for power no among scandals. Look at so many scandals that has gone on with NDC. It's just unfortunate say MPP for no among standing against these NDC people, crooks that stole money that should have been in jail by now. MPP for couldn't do it, but there's no doubt say among Fesika. There's no doubt say MPP for ABI BB or Hoa. There's nobody is perfect. They are no angels. There might be something that they might have done as MPP, but that doesn't say that doesn't say angels, and I say scandals BNC and I say they are governing. There may be some things that they may not have done right. Example is the PDS. But Nana Akufo-Addo who say PDS name one. Who say ABM one. I know say they have good intentions to do the right thing, but along the way, they may see say that those things that are not going right, they will cancel it. Say there's scandals in the MPP, and they have done this, that. NDC also have scandals. Scandals is everywhere. But right now, Ghanaians, what we want you to know is say, we have to give Nana Addo another 4 more term so that he can complete the work that he's doing. See, a man of 4 more term. Now say Mahama Baswa, Oba cancel this free SHS. Oba cancel also Oba Abeshemkin. Oba cancel. And this is for moment in the hall. Mahama Kasabeka said, sometimes when you are campaigning, you have to lie a little bit so that the people will vote for you. And there are so many things. They are so desperate. They are so desperate to win this election. So they are doing all that they can. Anytime I first a video where and now they are showing another video for Rebecca Akufo-Addo, Kevin Taylor, scandal. Why don't you base your campaign on substance, on the things that Mahama has done, so that you can ask people to vote for Mahama based on the things that Mahama has done. Nana Akufo-Addo, he is doing so well. Even this free SHS, this NAPCO has given a lot of people to work. Mahama Ba Robert Unemployment Association. Nana Akufo-Addo Ba no obe create NAPCO. Compare the two and see which household is enjoying. Compare the two and see which household is smiling. Free NAPCO or Unemployment Association. Which one would you like to be in or be part of? Of course, NAPCO. A lot of households are enjoying. Even this free senior high school. Do you know how many households me say Ghana? If you be any Ghana, benefiting from free senior high school. And I know my MPP for Nkwa. Nana Akufo-Addo or constructing road. Is he constructing the road for only MPP for? No, it's for all Ghanaians. This free senior high school, no, it's for all Ghanaians. And everybody is benefiting. So Ghanaians, I'm here to tell you, say, nobody should believe Kevin Taylor. Nobody should trust him. And you fabricated stories now from there to see Monday, no. Stories are Kevin Taylor, Memo Bianji Kevin Taylor. It's a fabricated stories. I'm sorry, Nana Akufo-Addo anymore. They say, I know Tokwano Afrono ato akekakeka. Yes, it's Tokwano. It's a Tokwano Fronwa, not aso akekakeka. So Kevin Taylor right now, no, or the akekakeka or the NDC for na akekakeka na mudi yamu campaign no in these last days. Akekakeka na mu chiche sika na mu wia embra na omo government no na mu na chiche sika man crofo. So Ghanaians, be wise and know say Nana Akufo-Addo is the man that we need to give 4 more years. He's at number 1. Vote number 1. And give him 4 more years for Nana Akufo-Addo, because for him to continue the work that he's doing. And in these coming terms, he's going to do, me a free thinker. I'm for Ghana. Ghana comes first. And when Nana Akufo-Addo comes to office, we are not going to give him free breaks. He's going to work. We're going to make sure that he works. We're going to make sure that the schools are constructed so that they don't have these double tracks. He's on it. I did be anyone start here problems emblem. Ejuma Biao start here. There's like it's like a roller coaster. A coaster number from and the there are things that are not going well in this free SHS. But as time goes on, anyone start here in from so any and Ghana for Musa Nana Akufo-Addo 4 more years. 4 more years from Nana. Nobody should believe Kevin Taylor from now to Monday. After Monday, most of the collapses are with all due respect now, from Monday will be collapsing because it's not credible. He's not speaking the truth in atem the DNA Kano. Ghana for nobody should believe Kevin Taylor. We're disgracing him no in Tron Watcher. Sa video not the bar for Nana Akufo-Addo. Sa video not the bar the crown put say. Some not the bar after that, no. He's been disgraced. He's not credible. Nobody should believe Kevin Taylor. And the NDC's propaganda, they should base their campaign on substance, on the things that Mahama has done. But some move out with scandals, with nobody should believe any scandal that they bring. And I can't bear for this. I got to talk about this scandal, Saber. So we expose Rebecca Akufo-Addo for her NGO. You are a liar, Kevin Taylor. Speak the truth. Speak truth to power. Let us all speak truth to power. Everybody in Ghana, please vote Nana Akufo-Addo for another term. Number 1. 4 more years for Nana. Thank you very much, Ghana, for subscribe to my channel. I share video when I call a trade. Na nkofonu say Kevin Taylor can't draw. Mon share video way. Na nko be bia na omu say Kevin Taylor is lying. Kevin Taylor is lying. All the scandal that he's bringing is a lie. So if it's a scandal, a real scandal, there's a court in Ghana. We have court system in Ghana. Often court. Now often case in court. Near Hodu Rebecca Akufo-Addo in court. If he thinks the scandal that he's bringing is the truth, let him take it to court. Obwa, nobody should believe Kevin Taylor. He's lying. It's all propaganda. Or the two Trogun Kofueni. Votarians, please vote for Nana Akufo-Addo. Vote wisely. Nana Akufo-Addo is coming to construct all your roads. It's a matter of time. 4 years is not enough. Let him continue his good work. Vote Nana Akufo-Addo. Thank you very much. Please share the video and let it go to all the Votarians. And let us all know, we need to give Nana Akufo-Addo 4 more years. Kevin Taylor is not credible. Nobody should trust him. Nobody should believe him. He's lying. All this scandal that he's bringing is not true. He should base his campaign on substance, on the things that Mahama has done. Not on anybody's scandal, not on whatever anybody has done. the okonsuo no boy hina. It's a proverb. Obanyasa for yebunibe yankanasem. Thank you very much for listening to Kofi Afum. Thank you very much. God bless you and God bless our homeland Ghana. Bye bye.